Welcome to SIRA Accounting YouTube channel. Today we discuss accounting equation related topic. This is exercise for accounting equation. Look here, this is the requirement, this is the exercise. What is the requirement? Look here, this is the requirement. Record the impact. Impact means influence. Impact means plus or minus. There is increase or decrease. Record the impact, increase or decrease of above 3 transactions. There are 3 transactions there. Using following equation. What is the equation? You know, assets equal equity plus liabilities. This is the equation. We can get another page. Look here. Firstly, we identified equation. Look here. What is the equation? Assets equal equity plus liabilities. Firstly, you must write the rupees as 1000. Why I write 1000? Why I write 1000? You can eliminate all amounts. There are 3 zeros. Look here. This actual amount is 50,000. Using this 1000 rupees in the top of this equation, you can cut it in 3 zeros. Therefore, you can record only 50 as plus or minus. You know, but this 50 is 50,000. Okay. Therefore, all transaction we can use it. Why? We include 1000 rupees. We can cut 3 zeros from all amounts. Okay. Let's see the first transaction. What is the first transaction? First transaction is there. First one is, look here, following transaction identified. Look here, following transaction identified from Kamal Enterprises. Okay, Kamal Enterprises. Let's see. Owner provided means invested 70,000 cash with 1000 use now. Therefore, I cut it 3 zeros. 70 cash to the business. Therefore, you firstly identified the assets. There is an inflow or outflow from tangible thing or visible thing to the business. There is inflow. Owner invested now. Therefore, the owner invested to the business. Business means there's inflow of which asset? There's inflow of 70,000 cash inflow to the business. Therefore, there's increase of assets 70. Number 1, which asset? There's a cash increase in the business. Why? The owner invests to the business. Therefore, business cash amount, this is business assets are increased. There is assets, there's a tangible thing, outflow from business. No, there's no outflow, only inflow to the business. There's increase of asset. Based on that, we must be increase this side. What is the owner invested? No, therefore we increase 70 as a capital. Okay, next one, question number 2. This is transaction number 2. Owner invested 50. Okay, 50,000 computer to the business. Are there any inflow to the business? Yes, computers inflow to the business. Computers are asset. Therefore, I increase 50. What is the asset? Computer. There is an outflow from business? No, there is no outflow. Only inflow to the business is the computer. This side was increase. You must be clearly increase this side. Owner invested no. Therefore, I plus this. What is that? What is the word? Only capital. capital. Don't write the computer this side. This is only one computer. This is the capital. No. Next one is owner invested 500,000. 500,000 means 500 no build into the business. Therefore there is inflow of tangible thing. What is the building? Build is inflow to the business. Therefore the building is asset increase in 500. This is the building. There's no outflow from business. Therefore you must be increase this side. Why? Owner invested. This is capital. After the 3 transactions, we can get sum of these transactions. I get cumulated amount. This is total amount. Liability 0 plus is carried to this area, and I can get sum total of this 570 equal should be get to this place, and this must be cumulated amount is 570. This side equal to this side. Why? This is 0. No? Therefore this is the final answer of this impact. This is the transaction. This is the recording of transaction of equation. In next video you must be exercise there are 2 exercises. You must be identified the answers. In next video we meet your exercise.